Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can open a dispute on AliExpress. So if you have purchased an item and it's not like on pictures, okay, it's not like not as described on pictures. For example, you purchased an item on AliExpress and it's not working or it's damaged. By the way, you can do the exact same steps on your like AliExpress app inside your phone. Okay, you just need to follow the exact same steps. This works on both devices, like your Android phone or iPhone or like your PC. This is going to work. Okay, so just make sure to know exactly what is happening. Okay, if the product is damaged, then you are you are eligible to get a refund and the item is going to stay at your home. Okay, or if the seller wants he wants the item, he is going to pay for the shipping fee. Okay, it's not you. Okay, like when you try to open a dispute, don't select like I changed my mind or something like that. Say something like item is not as described or damaged or something like that, so that AliExpress will force the seller to pay for the shipping fee if he wants his item back. Okay, so that's exactly how AliExpress works. Okay, so what you guys need to do is you want to click here, the account here in the top. Okay, and you want to click on my orders, and here you want to find an order that you have a problem with. For example, let's say that I have a problem with this order. I already received this order, but I'm going to act like I have a problem with it so that I can show you guys how you can open a dispute. Now I want to click here where it says open details, and now you want to scroll down. Okay, so like I said, if you just want to return it, and you select something like I changed my mind, like AliExpress will force you guys to pay for the shipping fee. It's going to be too expensive for you, especially if you live in a country very far from China. Like the shipping time is ridiculously expensive. So what you guys need to do is, for example, if the item is damaged, then you will like I said, you are eligible for refund and you will receive your refund without any problem. After you are here, guys, you want to click on return and refunds. Okay, now this return period expired for me because I received this item and it's been more than 15 days, so I am not able, guys, to open a dispute. Like if it's more than 15 days, just forget this item, you will not be able to get a refund. Okay, because I don't have any problem with this item, that's why I didn't open a dispute like before 15 days ends. Okay, so for you will be able to do that. Click on return refunds, and then you will give you like a few like options. I already made a video about this, so I'm going to show you exactly what I mean exactly. So I'm going to like how to open dispute on AliExpress. I already made multiple videos about this, as you can see. Here I'm going to show you exactly where I'm going to show you exactly, guys, where you here. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what I mean. So here, okay, as you can see, after you click, guys, on return and refunds, okay, it's going, this is how it's going to look. This is how it's going to look like. Delivery state, like if the item is received in part or it's not complete, then you can select that. Okay, if the package not received at all, then you can still select the second option, and here select the reason. For example, don't select like still in transit. Say something like if the item not received, tracked as returned, cancelled, lost, held, just tell them the truth. Okay, if it's not available, the tracking number doesn't work, then you want to select the second option. If it's still in transit but the delivery time is very long, then select this the first one. Still in transit or whatever, and then you want to click on you don't have to upload any picture or video, but yeah, but if it's not arrived, then what picture you are going to add here? Like you don't have any picture of the product. But if you want to return it because it's damaged, then you will, like AliExpress will force you guys to add here picture or a video that stated like that proves that the product is not working. Okay, see here, you just need to upload. Now if this one, guys, helped you, after you finish this, click on submit. Okay, if you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, so just let me know, guys, in the comments, and exactly tell me what problem you have, and I will try to help you guys on the comments. And drop a like, and see you guys next one.